Okay, friends, today we're working on 6.3 as we get to solve number stories using familiar multiples. Any thoughts, any remembrance about what multiples are? Any remembering about what multiples are? Yes, sir. You're yep, absolutely. You're on the right track. Did you have a different definition of six? Yes. Any other? So I like that, absolutely. Any other definition for multiples? That's right. So definitely, I think when we see multiple, we see this word multiplication that's connected to it. And I got some people on Chromebooks. If you could close your Chromebooks. Okay, wonderful. I think the best definition that might really jog your brain is we use this idea of skip counting with multiples, right? So if we were to say multiples of six, it'd be six times one is six, six times two is 12, six times three is 18, 6 times 6 is 36. So it's that skip counting. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Everybody kind of remember multiples now? Are we there? Okay. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be using kind of our ideas of multiplication to help with our just sense of division. So we're using multiplication skills to increase our division skills. Yeah, exactly. Like addition, how addition and subtraction are related. That's right. So when you're looking at multiples, because you know 6 times 6 is 36, you also know that 6 divided by 6 is, I'm sorry, 36 divided by 6 is 6, right? But you can flip those around. So we're also trying to increase our number sense with this, okay? So here's how this looks. You have it really basically helps you skip count with this, right? So when it says like, so Kyle can fit 3 pencils in a pencil case. He has 42 pencils. How many pencil cases does he need? So it's this idea of he's putting 3 pencils in a pencil case, and that's one. Basically, how we're thinking about it in division terms is 42 divided by 3 equals what, basically, okay? Is everybody okay with that? That we're dividing our 42 pencils into groups of 3 to find what it is, okay? Now that just doesn't always come naturally to us, so there's a great way to allow this to be done. So what it will say is counting by threes, since the divisor, which is one of the names for this here, since the divisor is 3, I think it would be reasonable to estimate and start what are 5 um, threes, okay? And when you see this, basically what that means is five threes or 5 times 3, another way to look at that. So what are 5 threes? Yes, yes, yes. 15, good. So what are 6 threes? And behind the person who just answered, yes. I can't see your name. Yes, 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 yes. So what are 6 threes? Really close. One more. Think 15 plus 3 more. 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So 6 threes. Go ahead and do 7 threes if you know 7 threes. What's 7 threes? Someone help me out. Yes, sir. 21. The idea here is that we're trying to get to 42. We could have even estimated a little bit better than starting at 5. So what are 8 threes in this case? Yes. 24. And then what are 9 threes? What was that size? 20? Okay. What are 9 threes right in front of me here? Threes equals 27. What are 10 threes here? Yes. 30. We're getting closer. We're getting closer to that 42, right? What are 11 threes? Yes, sir. Well, let's go all the way. This is what we're doing. What are 11 threes? Easy. What's 10 threes? And then you do one more 3, so you're adding 3 to 30. 33, exactly. What are 12 threes? Are we seeing the patterns here with the skip counting? What are 12 threes? Yes. Yep. 36. Wonderful. What are 13 threes? What are 13 threes? Yes. Yep. 39. Getting close. What are 14 threes? What are 14 threes? 42. Hey, we're there, aren't we? We got to, so our goal was to get to that 42, right? It also wants you to do this because you're going to start looking at remainders or leftovers here in just a little bit. So it wants you to go above one more time. So what are 15 threes just for good measure in this case? Yes, it is 45, okay? So in this case, what we can see is that 42 divided by 3 is P, and where it lands on this, because we were trying to get to that 42 after all, right? 42 divided by 3 turns out to be 14. So below that, you can write the answer is 14. The number model with the unknown is P, is 42 divided by 3 is P. And then the number model with the answer is 42 divided by 3 is 14. Does everybody see how I use skip counting to get to that answer? Okay. Is everybody okay with that? Here's something that you might see, and I'm just going to make a quick change with this. Let's say you have 43 divided by 3. Okay. Does it land on 43 when you're counting by threes? No. So what it's going to be is 42 and with a remainder of 1, exactly. Okay. And I think you do have that. Oh, yeah. Starting on number 3, you do have some remainders. So does everybody see how I have a remainder of 1 in this one? That I got to 42 in my skip counting, but then I have one more to get to 43, and that's my remainder. Remainder, for those of you who aren't clear, remainder means that's an amount which I can't divide anymore, which can't be included in dividing. So it's like I had 43 pencils and I put them in boxes of 3. I'd have 14 boxes, and then I'd have one pencil left over that didn't go in a box. Is everybody okay with that idea of remainder? Okay. Wonderful. You're going to work on Math Journal page 195 through 197. I have a mastery list. If you didn't bring your Math Journal, hopefully someone or you remember how to get to the Math Journal pages to write down the answers. Oh, looks like I wasn't recording after all, was I? That's really too bad. Yeah. Gosh. Yeah, so. Oh, yeah. So the answer for this, what would it be, Liam? 14 remainder 1, and there's different ways to yeah, this one wants a capital R. I've seen it lowercase r, which I think would be fine. I learned with a lowercase r, which is really weird. But this one, I think either one would make sense. Okay, capital or lowercase. And this is just to give you a heads up, this is only one way to write a remainder. We're going to learn different ways to write remainders as well. There's a few different ways for sure. So how's everybody feel about this?